Despite an overall slowdown of the global pharmaceutical market, IMS Health has identified several frontier markets, the next big drivers of growth at the outer edges of the world's emerging markets. Within these frontier markets, Myanmar is capturing the most attention. After decades of isolation, the country is now embracing a market economy. GDP and life expectancy are both growing steadily, and signs of economic and political reform are generating increasing confidence and excitement among foreign investors and companies. The healthcare market in particular is a significant pocket of growth, driven by public and private spending on services and infrastructure, a commitment to universal healthcare, a rapidly growing consumer class, and investment in high-need, high-impact therapy areas. For multinational corporations, the opportunity to capture an early mover advantage and play a role in bringing better outcomes to a population with significant need is certainly alluring. However, there are significant challenges that need to be addressed. First, Myanmar's healthcare infrastructure is both underfunded and overburdened. Serving a population of 51 million, the country has an insufficient number of primary and secondary care hospitals and only 36 tertiary centers, many of which are located in urban areas and are thus inaccessible for rural patients. Second, there is a limited talent pool for both corporations and providers. Company employees often have no experience with sophisticated HR, finance, or other key corporate functions, and IMS Health estimates that the prescription market is driven by only 4,000 qualified physicians. Third, there are few regulations governing drug distribution and a significant lack of monitoring, both of which are allowing for a constant flow of unofficial medicines into Myanmar. And finally, affordability is a significant bottleneck to market growth. As the bulk of medical expenses must be paid out of pocket, cost is often the ultimate driver of treatment decisions. Leveraging IMS Health's expertise and experience in Myanmar, we have identified 3 core ingredients to succeeding in this exciting market. 1. A thoughtful portfolio strategy. Primary care portfolios will need a large basket of products and advanced planning to understand unmet need, and specialty portfolios have the potential to transform a market niche, but only if there is a large enough affordable patient population to justify investment. The second ingredient is investments in people. The training and ongoing development of employees and healthcare providers will be a top priority for any company. In addition, supporting and educating patients is essential to securing a strong foothold in this market. The final ingredient for success in Myanmar is a strong network. Companies will need to focus on connecting and collaborating with local stakeholders and key opinion leaders, especially doctors and government leaders who are critical influencers and who can substantially boost education, awareness, and adoption. Without a doubt, Myanmar is an exciting place for the global pharma community, but success here will be built on information and strategy, not enthusiasm. And the companies that succeed will be the ones who are able to manage expectations and critically evaluate the best areas of play.